Today I'm making a hearty cast iron skillet with crispy potatoes, bacon, sausage, and eggs. Simple ingredients, big flavor. This was Dad's go-to meal every time Mom was away. He loved making this and we loved eating it. Let's get into it. Start with about 6 slices of bacon, roughly chopped. Set that aside while we prep the rest. Slice up about 12 ounces or 340 grams of smoked sausage into bite-sized pieces. Dice 1 bell pepper into small pieces. Now, take about 1.5 pounds or 680 grams of Yukon Gold potatoes and dice them. Place them in water to keep them from browning. Dice half of a large onion. Heat a cast iron skillet over medium and add the bacon. Cook for about 8 to 10 minutes until crispy and the fat has rendered. Bacon. Remove the bacon and set it aside, leaving about 2 to 3 tablespoons of bacon fat in the pan. That's extra flavor. Add the potatoes to the hot bacon fat and spread them into an even layer. Let them cook undisturbed for 5 to 6 minutes to build that golden crust. Then stir and continue cooking for another 10 to 12 minutes. Season with salt and pepper. Add the diced onion. Then the bell pepper. Cook for 5 to 7 minutes until softened and slightly caramelized. Add the sausage. Cook for 4 to 5 minutes until heated through and lightly browned. Season with smoked paprika, salt and pepper to taste, and a teaspoon of Aleppo pepper. That's your secret ingredient. Push everything to one side and crack in a few eggs. Scramble them gently. Then fold everything together and add the bacon back in. Finish with a small splash of apple cider vinegar, just the way we did it in the Smoky Mountains, and follow that with some diced green onions. Serve it straight from the skillet. Crispy, smoky, and packed with flavor. This is comfort food done right. Be sure to like, share, and subscribe, and come back, hang out, because we will be doing this again.